These are the High Stream Gear walking or hiking sticks, and I was given these by the brand in exchange for an honest review. And I want to say, if I'm ever given a product that I don't like, I won't review it. So this really is my honest review. Here they are completely folded, super compact at just 14.5 inches. And here you can see how they fit in my backpack, or you can put them in a bag, which is included. So the first thing you're going to do is just undo the Velcro, then straighten it out as much as possible, and grab this section right here where it says pull, and you just do that. You just pull it straight down, and it causes these pieces to snap together. Then after you've done that, you're going to come over here, and you see where it says lock when you pull it down, and you're going to see a 3. It feels like you shouldn't pull it that hard, but you do need to pull it hard until you see the little button snap out. Now you're going to want to adjust the height, and to do that you just unlatch this little clip, and you'll see that it has both inches and centimeters. And then what you want to aim for is having your forearm to be at a 90-degree angle from your elbow. Uphill you would shorten the poles a bit, or downhill you would lengthen them for better stability. Then just put the metal clip back down and tighten the screw as needed. And then to take it apart, it's the same thing. I usually loosen that first. Helps when you're loosening this to just release a little tension, pulling on it just a little bit, pushing the button in, and then you can, collapse it. Then down here, there you go, just pull it apart. And again on that section, fold it over and collapse this section, and you're all set. When you receive your poles, you'll get this nice little booklet that shows you how to put them together, or you can scan this little code right here. They come in a variety of colors and designs. I especially love the unique designs that they have here where you won't find any other place. This one is called Blue Bloom, but they also have solid colors that are both dark and light, and they even have one that looks a little bit like a wood grain. It basically comes with 5 different tips. You have the main carbide pointy tip. You can see it has the little rugged ends there, and that's great for gravel, dirt, or even ice. And then you have these rubber tips that you can add on. They're great for flat surfaces like asphalt, concrete, but also be good shock absorption, and they're less damaging to the trails. So they're better for like sensitive environmental areas, and also good protection for your tips when you're traveling, so you aren't poking through your bag or whatever you've put them in. Then we have these mud baskets and snow baskets, and obviously therefore the mud basket is actually for sand or mud. That you can see the little threads there, and you would just put it on, screw it on all the way, and then add your little tip if you'd like, or if you're going through ice, you might want to leave it like that. Again, have it like this. You might want to just leave this bare so you can grip the ice a little bit better. And then lastly, we have the boot tip. You just push that on, and that allows you to get this rocking motion that you get when you're walking. So while they're great for hiking, if you're a senior or sometimes become a little unsure on your feet, or maybe you're just recovering from surgery and need a little assistance, using 1 or 2 of these poles would be a great help just to kind of steady yourself while walking. And on the other end of the spectrum, they even make them for kids, which you can check out in the High Stream Gear store. Just click on the brand name on Amazon's product page and look under kids. A lot of times when I go hiking, I think I'm not going to need to bring them, but I'm always glad when I do. I really love these High Stream Gear hiking poles, and I think you will too.